So, not gonna lie, I was kind of waiting to make this video until we got the May update, but because it may never come, never decided to be a comedian, not gonna lie to you guys. Let's go ahead and talk about this now. So yes, we did get an April update. We got it 2 weeks ago. And again, like I said, I was kind of waiting for the May update to come out and then make a video together and kind of kill two birds with one stone here. But it looks like that's not going to be the case just yet. Maybe we get the May update in June, kind of how we got the April update in May. At the very least, this is a good thing for Microsoft to at least still be giving us security updates. I've said it before, but security updates, although yes, they might sound minuscule, they might sound bad, they might sound like, oh, it's not features, it's nothing important. It gives us the ability to make sure your devices are secure and protected. Now, the problem is every single month you're supposed to get these updates because every single month new security patches become vulnerable for the devices. So every single month there's more and more problems where hackers or whatever can get into your device and steal your information. So that's why you're supposed to, as a company, keep your devices up to date with these security patches. Now, you know, again, mentality. Better late than never. Obviously, good on Microsoft for getting this out eventually, but I'm really hoping they get out this May update sometime very soon. And again, it does show that maybe they're not completely just done with the Surface Duo 1 and 2. They're still going to at least give us updates. But again, we're not getting Android 13. They've been asked about that, and they kind of tight-lipped about it. But at least we're still getting this. For features, no, this is not going to give you any features. It's a 25 megabyte in size update, and it's just going to go ahead and get the security patches. Keep it up to date as of the Google Bulletin Board for security, and that honestly is all we can ask for. So I gotta give Microsoft a round of applause for this one because this is actually a W. And I'm hoping we do get the May one and they continue to at least give us this for the foreseeable future, which would be an absolute amazing thing by Microsoft, to continue to support a device, you know, that really the Surface Duo 2 is really not that old, but Surface Duo 1 is definitely up there in age. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. Again, maybe as I'm making this video now, watching like a day or so that we get the May update, and then I'm like, oh, I'll miss that. Nonetheless, though, I'm probably not going to be making any more videos about Surface Duo 1 and 2 when it comes to updates, unless it's a major update. You know, this is at least we got the, you know, security update, but unless we get a feature update, I'm probably not going to make another video about Surface Duo 1 and 2. If I think it's going to be canceled, Surface Duo 3, but if it's not canceled and we get more information, you can already expect on this channel you're going to get the updates on the Surface Duo 3 if it does get released. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.